In this video, I'll show you how to deposit money in Phantom Wallet. If you find this video helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First thing we're going to do in order to deposit money into our Phantom Wallet is open up and log into our Phantom Wallet. Once you're on this page, we're going to tap right here on the left side where it says receive, and this will pull up the options that you can use to deposit into your account. For this example, we're going to use Solana. So we're going to tap right here, and that's going to pull up your Solana deposit address. And down here at the bottom, we're going to tap on these two squares to copy our wallet address. Then we're going to open up the exchange or the wallet we're going to be sending our funds from. And for this example, I'm going to use ByBit. If you don't already have a ByBit account, I'll have a link down below in the description that can get you up to 30,000 USDT in deposit bonuses. Once you're in your exchange or on your wallet, we're going to go to the wallet or the assets tab. That should pull up something that looks like this. We're going to tap on withdraw. Now we're going to look for the currency that we're going to transfer into our Phantom Wallet. You can do that by searching through here or just going to the search bar at the top and typing in Solana. We're going to tap here. That'll bring up a page that looks like this. Right here under address, we're going to paste our Phantom deposit address. And under network, if it doesn't already choose it for you automatically, we're just going to tap on Solana. Then we're going to enter the amount that we want to deposit into our Phantom Wallet. Once you've done that, we're going to tap on withdraw. Then your payment will process and you should have your funds in your Phantom Wallet within a couple of minutes. And that's how to deposit money in your Phantom Wallet.